आप देख रहे हैं सुदर्शन न्यूज।
नमस्कार, सुदर्शन न्यूज देख रहे हैं आप। मैं हूं आपके साथ दिव्या सिंह। चलिए बुलेटिन की शुरुआत करते हैं नागालैंड की खबरों के साथ। नागालैंड के एमपी एस सुम्परगोंग मेरेन जमीर, जो नागालैंड प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी के अध्यक्ष भी हैं, उनके साथ शपथ ग्रहण समारोह के ठीक बाद सुदर्शन न्यूज ने खास बातचीत की है। उन्होंने अपनी शपथ का समापन पूर्वोत्तर भारत अमर रहे के नारे के साथ किया। क्या कुछ कहा है, आइए सुनते हैं।
नमस्कार आप सबको। सुदर्शन नॉर्थ ईस्ट चैनल में फिर से आप लोगों का स्वागत है। आज हम आप लोगों के सामने एक बहुत ही खास व्यक्ति को पेश करने जा रहे हो। नागालैंड के इतिहास में इस साल की 2024 लोकसभा चुनाव में ऐसे कुछ चीज़ें सामने आया जो सबके लिए भी एक शॉकिंग एंड सरप्राइजिंग रिजल्ट व्हिच हैज़ shape a different era of political scenario in Nagaland. As we all know, the Congress candidate, Mr. S. Subramanian Jamir, has toppled the NDPP BJP consensus candidate, Dr. Murray, and become the successful with a huge margin of 50,000 plus मार्जिन। तो हम आपको हमारे चैनल में स्वागत करते हैं। आप इस बार पहली बार लोकसभा मेंबर बने हैं, तो आफ्टर टेकिंग oath as a member of parliament, how do you feel?
In fact, I'm so grateful to the people of Nagaland, and they have given a mandate because after taking the vote, I'm realizing that people have really more advanced and wiser than me because they are really in love of the democracy and the equality, and the Nagas are always good people and then always trying to maintain the brotherhood among the citizens.
Can you share your thoughts about the concluding remark in the parliament? After taking oath, you use the slogan "Long live Northeast India." इसके पीछे की वजह क्या है, sir?
North is ये है हमारा भारत के लिए जो is a very special region है. Because with all this Northeast, we are also second to none, and the Northeast people can really bring a glory to the nations, to the Indians.
Speaking of Nagaland, what challenges and what are the biggest challenge do you see in Nagaland currently, and how do you plan to address them?
Actually, in Nagaland, we all know we have the second largest educated youth unemployment. Apart from the first is Manipur state. So that is a great challenges for us. Until unless we put our youth educated persons or the trained youngsters do their placements, the state will be always in the restless.
Taking advantage of your position, how are you planning to leverage your position to bring more attention and the resources to Nagaland and Northeast as a whole?
See, to let our people also how important is alone the MP. I'll try my level best, and then I'll be in touch with the grassroots peoples, and then we'll work together, and the togetherness will bring a change in the state, and for the to bring more funds from the center. Of course, it's all depends on the proposal of the state because they used to sing a priority list. But I'll also give the best effort that we should get enough funds from the center.
Talking about the nation as a whole, how do you see the political climate of India and how is it impacting Nagaland?
No, this time, the first impact was people has chosen us. People have given the mandate to the Congress loan MP. So that is one significance that our people, Naga people, really wants a change. Then secondly, here in the national scenario, we can see that now we have enough opposition members. So definitely there will be a changes, and then the making the process of the government in a different dimensions.
Sir. So how has your experience as the president of the Nagaland Pradesh Committee has prepared you for this role as an MP?
In fact, I am so grateful to our High Command, AICC, and then the people of our state, especially the Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee, of giving me that responsibility as their president. And not only choosing me as their president, but they have shown their efforts and take me down to the grassroots level and then making me as one of the leaders and then putting me as a MB, which is precious for our state because we have only a lone seat for that state.
All right. So, can you share any insights as the Nagaland Legislative Assembly member that will help you as the member of parliament?
Yes, I think all 60 members, no doubt, they are oppositionless government. Oppositionless government, it doesn't mean that they should scared and then that they should be under one under roof or under one directions. But they have been chosen by the people to explore and then try to bring a good atmosphere for the people in every atmospheres and every development. So I think they will be the one who can come forward first because they are in the grassroots and then they will definitely coordinate and then work for the betterment of our state.
सो जाते जाते हम आपसे ये भी जानना चाहोंगे आप नागालैंड निवासियों के लिए पूरे नॉर्थ ईस्ट पूर्वोत्तर लोगों के लिए आप क्या संदेश देना चाहोंगे?
See, to have better development, fast development, the foremost is एक हम लोग का एक मिलाप जुलाप होना चाहिए. We should unite together, and we should try to create one platform where we can place all our problems. Until unless we do that, the government of India, since is a vast developed country, I think we need one voice for the Northeast as well as for the state of Nagaland.
So how can your constituents best support you and aware about your work in parliament? How are you planning to connect with your constituents people?
In fact, here in the parliament, of course, we have to see the decorum of the parliament. So we have to go accordingly as per the decorum. And then we have our own chief whip of the party, so we have to go according to that. And for that matter, the constituency as a whole, state of Nagaland, we have our representatives. So mostly I'll be between the government of India and the government of the state, and we'll see that definitely as a lone member, I'll work sincerely to bring a changes for our state.
Thank you very much. तो ये था हमारे साथ श्री एस सुपरमरन जमेर, द लॉन लोकसभा एमपी फ्रॉम नागालैंड, अभी जिन्होंने अभी लोकसभा में पहली बार अपने विजेता प्राप्त करके अभी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट बने हैं. आइए देखते हैं जिन्होंने अभी जो दावा किया है इन चीज़ों को वो कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं. हम इन पर नज़र बने रखेंगे, आप लोगों को तक पहुँचाने के हम काम करेंगे. इसलिए आप लोग हमारे साथ जुड़ते रहे और राजेश सेठी जी को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने हमारे साथ जुड़ा, इसलिए आपको भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. प्यार से नागालैंड की निवासी सर को सुपरमैन बोलते हैं क्योंकि इनकी जो पर्सनैलिटी है बहुत ही कूल और शांति से, और उनकी जो कठिन नाम को थोड़ी सी आसान करने के लिए प्यार से सुपरमैन का टाइटल भी मिला है. सो द सुपरमैन ऑफ नागालैंड, वी विश ऑल द बेस्ट एंड वी विल बी कीपिंग अ क्लोज आई ऑन योर एक्टिविटीज़ एज यू एम्बार्क ऑन दिस न्यू जर्नी. थैंक यू. जय हिंद. मैं थोड़ा तालना क्रॉस सुदर्शन न्यूज़ चैनल के लिए विद कैमरा पर्सन चंदन के साथ नई दिल्ली से.